Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use a YouGotAGift card. First, open your web browser and go to the YouGotAGift website. Once the page loads, take a moment to understand the type of gift card you have. Some YouGotAGift cards are multi-brand cards. Examples are the Happy You card or the Idea card. These cards do not work directly on shopping websites. Before using them, you must convert them into a brand-specific voucher. This means you choose a store like Noon or Amazon and exchange your card for that store's voucher. Now let us talk about brand-specific cards like a Noon gift card. If you already have a Noon gift card from YouGotAGift, you can use it directly. On the YouGotAGift website, find the Noon gift card and add it to your cart. Proceed to checkout and complete the purchase. After checkout, you will receive the Noon gift card code, usually by email. Next, sign in to your Noon account. Add the items you want to buy to your cart. When you reach the checkout page, select the gift card option. Enter the Noon gift card code you received and apply it. The gift card balance will be deducted from your total. Thanks for watching.